Tell me you understand, Saul! Every dollar. If you don't hear from me in 24 hours... No, Saul, shut up. Shut up and listen to me. I want you to give her every last dollar. Do you hear me? I don't care if you have to stuff it in trash bags. Just make sure she gets everything. All right? Just make it happen.
Hello. Would you like to try our breakfast chicken chalupa combo meal?
Gus Fring.
Excuse me?
Gustavo Fring, your boss now. Please.
Mr. Fring isn't here right now. Is there something?
He's here. His car is parked out front. He's here.
He was here. Mr. Fring was
You
called
just
out.
go in the back and you tell him it's Walter White. Understand? He'll know what it's about. I'll wait. Hello.
Walter, what exactly are you doing?
Where's Jesse?
Jesse with me, he's fine.
What, do you expect me to just believe that?
I'm crossing my heart, Walter.
Where is he?
Hold on. Yo.
Jesse.
Yeah, what's up?
Jesse, where are you?
With Mike.
I know you're with Mike. Are you all right? Does he have a gun on you?
No.
What's going on then?
We're driving.
Driving? Driving where?
I don't know. North?
Why is he driving you? Where is he going?
Beats me.
I don't... Put Mike back on.
Hello again.
Mike, tell me now exactly what is going on.
Jesse's with me today. So what you need to do is to go back to your lab and get on with the cook. You're gonna have to muddle through this one without him, okay? That's what's going on.
But it does...
Goodbye, Walter.
Mike!
Are you figure on just leaving me in some ditch?
What do you care?
I don't. But I'll tell you now, you better shoot straight, old man. I'll slice off your other ear before this is over.
You don't need to do that.
This is why I'm out here, right? To be like your backup.
Uh-huh.
So if I'm out here in a guard-type capacity to watch over the money, that means I need like a gun, right?
Nope.
What?
You are not the guy. You're not capable of being the guy. I had a guy, but now I don't. You are not the guy.
Then what the hell am I doing here?
I don't know. It's not my call. I just do what I'm told. And now you're gonna do what you're told, which is to sit here, shut up, and stay in the car till we finish our pickups. You got it?
Well, my congratulations to the both of you.
Thank you very much, Alan.
It is my pleasure. Mr. White, best of luck.
Thank you.
Bring the car over first thing next week for a wash and wax.
Oh, well, we'll be looking for you.
I'll be there.
Thank you again.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wow. It's official. How are you feeling?
How do you feel?
Nervous? Scared? This is a big step, Walt. If we don't do this right,
We'll be fine.
we will? Tell me again.
We will be fine. Believe it.
If we're gonna do this, I mean, really gonna do this, then we have to promise each other no more secrets. There can't be any mistakes like before. There has to be complete honesty.
I'm all for that.
Good. Well then, how about a drink to celebrate?
Oh,
Well, we own a big-ass car wash now.
we do. I guess it merits a celebration. Nothing too expensive.
Right. Non-fancy liquor it is.
Yes.
Just as long as it gets the job done. Oh.
It's me. I just wanted to say that I was thinking about you and the kids, and I love you. Just take it off.
Okay.
Hey, Mom, Dad.
Hey, son.
Where are you?
We're back here. We'll be out in a minute.
I'm parked in the driveway.
This is going to make for some very interesting dinner conversation. He's definitely gonna ask about our living situation now. Maybe you should move back in. You know, just so it's easier to explain to everyone. You think?
I have to get back to work. Schedule.